Good day to everyone. In our previous video, we had seen the Agile Scrum framework. We'll discuss about it in detail today. Let us see those overall comes in that Agile framework. We'll discuss about them. Now, let us start with the Scrum. What is this Scrum? Scrum, it is a kind of a framework which will help us to develop the software and also to test the software. Scrum, it is a framework which we use in building this software by using the agile principles. We had studied those agile principles. By using those principles, we build a software. Scrum team consists of a group of engineers which includes product owner, scrum master, developers, and test engineers. This Scrum team size usually consists of 9 to 15 members. Now let us discuss about this Scrum team. First is product owner. Product owner, he's the one who will be interacting with the customer. Then he will also be defining the features of the product. He will tell us the priority. He will prioritize the features according to the market value. Then once the application is developed and tested, development team and testing team, they will have to give a demo to the product owner. The product owner, he will see the demo of the product, then he will review it and he will decide whether to accept or reject. He will give some suggestions. If there is any improvement which is needed, then he will tell to add it for the development team and the testing team. If the product is good, then he'll appreciate it and he'll accept the project. Then he's the one who will assign the task to the development team and testing team. Sometimes test managers, test lead will also assign the task. It depends on the company to company. Next is Scrum Master. Scrum Master, he is the main facilitator and who is driving the agile process. He is the one who will be interacting with all the team members in a daily Scrum call. He will be asking each and everyone their problem, their backlogs in their regular work. If they have any problems in their regular work, like this discussion, he will do. Next, he will be responsible. He will be responsible for delivering the working piece of a software within the deadline. Next, he will be tracking all the activities done by the business analyst and developers and test engineers. He will mainly work on the project management tools like Jira and QCLM. Scrum Master, he will be involved in writing the epics, EPICS, and creating stories for those epics and creating sub-stories for those stories. Sometimes he will only assign the task to the developers and engineers. Now, what is this epic user story? A feature or a module of an application is called as user story. Those group of features or user story, then it is called as epics. He is the one who coaches the team for their best possible performance. Anybody can become a Scrum Master if they have a Scrum Master certificate and also the experience in testing and development. Next is development team. Development team, they will be developing the software as per the customer needs. Testing team, they will be testing the software or the application which is built by the developers, and finally they will be delivering it to the customer. Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss any of our video or updates. Thank you.